Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix no sound problem in any Redmi phone. So let's see the step. First of all, swipe down notification bar and here you can see Bluetooth option turn on. Just turn off this option and then just find cast option and turn off this option. Now go back to home screen and find settings and click on it. Now scroll down and here you can see sound and vibration. Just click on this option. Now increase every volume, media, ringtone and alarm. Now scroll down and here you can see silent mode. Just turn off this option and also do not disturb mode. Just turn off this option. Turn off do not disturb mode. Just click on here. Now go back to home screen. Now normally restart your phone. Just normally restart your phone. After all step, I hope your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.